You see that flaky baked chips you had at the party the other day? That is the recipe I'm bringing you today, and you will love it. Hello, this is Lena, and welcome. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes, and please, if you're interested, please follow or subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers and followers. Thank you for always watching my videos. So I have with me here my 4 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use pastry flour or soft flour. I added a pinch of salt. That wasn't Maggi cube, okay? It was salt, pink salt. I've mixed it very well, and now I'm just going to add my baking powder, and then make sure I mix that as well. I'll go ahead and add my butter, mix it very well. The butter that I'm using is plant-based, okay? You can use any that you want. Thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate you. So that was a stick of butter. And then after mixing it, we are just going to add the next ingredient. Have you subscribed or followed? If you haven't done so, can you please do so for me? It is free. And please, after watching this video, I'll be very happy if you share to others. Please leave me a comment, like this video, and I'll be very grateful. Thank you for doing it for me. I do appreciate it. Okay, so I'm mixing it with the tip of my fingers. Okay, yes, not in my palm, but I'm using the tip of my fingers so that the butter will not melt. So this is what we have now. I'm just going to add my vanilla. You can omit this and you don't have any problem at all. But this, oh my goodness, it smells so good. So I'll mix it, and then I will share with you the next ingredient we are going to add. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and I'll be very grateful. Thank you so much once again. Now you can add your water to it to form a dough, but I'm going to add my soy milk to form the dough, or you can use any liquid. It can be your milk, it can be anything, okay, that is liquid, to form the dough. Just look at that, so beautiful, and it already looks very delicious. That is just by the way. Now we have formed the dough, and this is how it looks. So beautiful, so nice. Yes, I just love it. Okay, we are going to use our rolling pin to make it flat. Okay, it depends on how you want it. If you want it very flat, it depends on you, but I don't want it very flat. Okay, so please just watch as I do it. Okay, thank you so much for your time once again. So baking the chips is different from when you are frying it. Like, what I'm trying to say is that is because we are going to bake it, that's why we use a stick of butter. But when you are going to fry it, please, you can even use just 3 tablespoons, okay? Else it will soak a lot of oil. Sometimes you may fry it and you may think it is crispy, but sometimes it is not crispy, okay? But you can see that the thing has soaked a lot of oil. It means your butter was too much, okay? Yes, so you can use your knife to cut this instead. You can do it anyhow that you want. It doesn't mean you should just go for the knife that I have or I'm using, okay? So I'm just going to cut the sideways, then we continue with how we are going to make it. I hope you are still with me. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. And please, have you shared? If you haven't, can you do so for me? And please like the video for me. So I guess I missed some of the clips. Yes, because I was filming a lot of videos that day. If you remember, when I brought you I brought a video not long ago, okay. And I was telling you the rolling pin had some dough on it. It's because I was doing something at the same time. Yes, this was what I was preparing that day. Yeah, it was the chin chin video. Yeah. So just look at that, so beautiful. We are done with it, and I'm just going to pour everything in my baking tray, then we proceed. So beautiful. I'll put this in my air fryer and then bake this for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. And I can't wait to share with you the outcome. It was so beautiful. Yes, so this is how it looks. Very delicious, perfect. And remember, it was so easy to put together, and we used just few ingredients. It actually looked like the one you've been buying on the roadside or the one you had at the party the other day. Just look at how flaky it looks. So delicious, and I loved it. I know you will love it as well. Try this and please let me know how it will be going. I know it will go well or let me know how it went. Okay, thank you so much, and please do not forget to love yourself first. Do not forget to take good care of yourself. You know Christmas is coming, so please take good care of yourself. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye.